Welcome. Today we are going to dive into the exciting new world of outdoor advertisement using wall murals. Before we go into our discussion, let's understand these two concepts: wall murals and outdoor advertisement. What's an outdoor advertisement? It's any form of advertisement that reaches its audience when they are not at home. That's why it's also called out-of-home advertisement. Think of billboards, building wraps, street poles, hoardings, bus shelter advertisements, and the list goes on. And all these forms, people see them every single day when they're driving, when they're walking, and that has been a very impactful and major means of reaching the masses. Now we've brought in some excitement to this world of advertisement through wall murals. And here is why. You see, over the passage of time, there is need for change, new ways of doing things, and to hold people's attention has become more difficult. Now, agencies and brands have realized that one of the best ways to hold people's attention is to entertain. So, more than just putting up a sign that says, "We are selling sneakers," people have learned that it's more impactful when you communicate that you sell sneakers in a way that engages your audience and gets them excited at the same time. And one of the most beautiful ways of achieving this is through hand-painted wall murals. And that is where the opportunity lies for you as a visual artist. Now, let's talk about wall mural in itself. For a while, we all know wall murals, and it's been seen as a decorative painting on walls, often found in restaurants and homes and street sides. But it was more for decoration than anything else. It had very little functional use. But now, the game is changed because murals have become the powerhouse for driving brand awareness campaigns. And artists are the center of this brand awareness creation by being the ones who execute the wall murals. When you engage in painting a wall mural, you will notice that lots of people will stop by, try to talk to you, engage you, ask questions. How do you paint this? What is this going to look like? And so on and so forth. And that in itself drives awareness and draws people's attention to the brand that you are painting for. So agencies into marketing, they have discerned this, and now they're using wall mural art as a form of making big statements, creating brand awareness and letting their clients know and letting the ideal customers see their brand in a way that leaves a lasting impression on their minds. Now let's talk about the business model of wall mural in the context of outdoor advertisement. There are 3 key steps. The first one of those is site procurement. So that means you have to find the sites where you are going to paint the murals. The second one is the presentation. So you are going to have to present the sites and the concept to advertising agencies and businesses who can buy into the idea and employ your services. And the third point is delivery. We often teach our students to not just deliver, but to over-deliver. And here is why. Delivery is one of the key aspects of a successful wall mural advertisement, and that's because most campaigns that you will be working on are existing billboards. So that means that you should paint in such a way that the audience who sees your wall mural can recognize that this is a replica of what they've seen on the billboard, because basically these murals are just an extension of billboards painted on walls in different locations where the client is not able to erect a billboard, or logistics issues or bylaws, restrictions and all sorts of things. But those locations still have audiences for the brand, and what better way of reaching them than using wall murals, which is quite simple, straightforward and highly impactful. Thank you for watching. If you found this video informative, don't forget to show us your support by giving us a thumbs up and subscribing to our YouTube channel for more videos like this, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Also, you can stay connected with us by joining our creative community on Facebook at Timeless Evolution Art Community. You can also follow us on Instagram at Timeless Evolution Art 50. Thank you once again. We'll see you in the next video.